Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're back with the Matrix today. We're going to be doing spark plugs. Decided to do that first because I've never had this easy access for spark plugs ever since I've had Subarus in the past. So we're going to be doing that. And also another reason is you want good spark for these high revving naturally aspirated engines, because you don't want any pre-detonation or late detonation at like 8,500 RPM. That can cause havoc to your engine. So first thing you're gonna need a 10 mil, a long one for this one with a stud. Gonna take all these bolts off, but before you do that, actually, you're gonna take off these 4 connectors. Be really careful taking these off because they can get brittle. I already loosened them actually before I started recording, so there's that. You just wanna make sure you don't crack these because they do get heat cycled, and over time the plastic does get brittle. So we're gonna go ahead and zip these 4 off. Gonna break them loose with this ratchet real quick. Oops, make sure that's just off. Crack them all loose. I'm sure these have a torque spec. I'll list it on the thing. Wow, they were pretty loose actually. Not great news. Well, at least we're doing it right. Just remember that this one goes on the far left side if you're facing this way, or technically cylinder number 1. It goes on the cylinder number 1 spot. So you just give them a good tug. These actually look decent, thankfully. So, and you don't have to do this, but we're gonna leave them in. I'm gonna leave them in order, so when I put them back in, they go in the same exact spot that they just came out of. Just like that. All right. Okay, next thing is we're gonna take our 5/8 spark plug socket. We're gonna go in there, find the socket, make sure that's on there. You want to use a specific spark plug socket so you don't damage them. I'm gonna take them off. Okay, got the first one out. Ooh, yeah, I'd say it was time to replace them. Looks like they are Iridium's, NGK Iridium spark plugs, which is what I got to replace them. So I'm gonna put the same spark plugs, the same brand at least, in. So I'm gonna take out the rest of them. Oh, okay, that one was tight. Okay, this one doesn't look that bad either. Ow. Okay. Alright, and that's cylinder number 4. Okay, now that we got all the spark plugs out, as you can see, they're pretty oily. They're not too bad, just really oily. Here's what a new one looks like. For comparison, there's some carbon buildup on this one, I guess. But the spark plug gap does look a little off on the old one. I made sure I gapped these ones to the correct specs for the manufacturer. So we're just gonna slap the new ones in, and we're gonna torque them down to 13 foot-pounds. Good. 13. Sweet. Alrighty, so that we got those in, we're gonna put the coil packs back in. Make sure they go in the original spot. Not really necessary, but I like to do that. Oops. Make sure not to crush the connectors while you do that, or else it's gonna get a little more expensive than just spark plugs. Put these back in. Don't worry, this is a low power impact. That impact, you really have to try to get that impact to strip something. So you can just zip them down. It's probably less than the spec, so I'm gonna go in with the torque wrench, make sure they're torqued, or not the torque wrench, just the normal ratchet. Make sure they're good and tight. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. And that's good. All right, so plug these connectors back in and you'll be good to go. Boom, just like that, and you're done. Actually, I did go to the junkyard and I did find a Matrix XRS engine cover, so we're gonna put that on. That's why the stud is there, to put the to keep the engine cover on. Where's the 10 mil? Where is the 10 mil? Okay. Then we're gonna put these two hex bolt ones. That's good right there. Actually, I think I put the wrong one in. Let's put the correct one in, please. That's good. The last one just goes right in here. Sweet. Oh, don't stay in there, please. I need you. All right, so that's pretty much it. You even got this nice little spark plug, not spark plug, engine cover. Gonna clean it up later, but looks pretty good. So gonna start it, make sure it runs, because that would suck. Ow, if I did all of that and it didn't run, so. Okay, moment of truth. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, they sound great. I don't hear anything out of the normal. Cool. Well, that's a job well done, I think. So yeah, that's how you replace spark plugs on a Toyota Matrix. I knew that video was a little short, so we're gonna replace the cabin filter while we're here. So what you're gonna need is a screwdriver. Got my little fancy schmancy LTT one right here. Gotta take off this screw that holds in the dampener. We're gonna push the glove box down. Alright, as you can see, it's right there. It's right there. You're just gonna have to push in the tabs, pull it out. Hopefully it's not too bad, so. Oh, okay, it just comes up. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's why you check your cabin filter, guys. That's crazy. Okay, so I don't know if that was a mouse infestation or a rat infestation. I don't see any droppings. Let's take a look in the cabin filter area. Looks fine in here. Thankfully the filter did its job. Keep dropping the camera. Anyways, well, good thing we're changing that. Strongly advise you to check if your cabin filter has been replaced. airflow does go down. I was looking at the old filter and it said it was pointed up, so that's not great news, but alas, at least it kind of did its job. So we're just gonna put that back in, make sure that's in place, make sure that doesn't come out, and we're gonna put the glove box back in. Make sure to clean back here also, like that's just a good thing to do. Okay, car is up to operating temp, so ouch. I'm gonna try to get a pull in on this on-ramp here. Oh, don't you dare. Okay, go. Okay, I feel like a first gear. Yeah, that is definitely a placebo. It feels a lot better. It used to break up like a tiny bit on the like toward the top of the rev range. Oh, rev matches are so much easier now. Good thing I replaced that cabin filter sooner rather than later, because me personally, I prefer not breathing in all that stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos when I upload for this car or any other car content that I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.